Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am bringing you guys some good old cleaning motivation. Let's get cleaning. So guys, today I am at my mom's house just helping her out a little bit, and I'm going to be washing dishes for her, and I thought, you know what, let me take you guys along with me. So as you know, I like to clean out my sink before I wash my dishes, and then I add some water and a little bit of bleach, and then I add my soap before I transfer all of my dishes to one side of the sink where I'm going to be washing, and then the other side I'm going to be rinsing the dishes out.
You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you.
Am I the only person on planet Earth that finds washing dishes therapeutic? You need to let me know if you're like me or if you absolutely hate washing dishes. Let me know in the comment section below, guys.
Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you.
Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally.
Alright guys, thank you so very much for watching. I know it was a short video, but I hope you got all of your cleaning motivation that you need for today. Guys, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. See you on the next one. Bye.
What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so brave.